Hi guys! 10:35 AM na. Iwaw feng shui na. Brethren, family and friends, sa pong pinagpalang umaga sa inyong lahat, ang inyong pong lingkod, Brother Norman Cruz. Ang inyong pong feng shui, Pachi Chimen Yijing and Date Selection Consultant. So, kumusta po kayo? Yes, BFF, inagahan po natin because we had just had a morning online consultation po, and sabi ko, why not ituloy na natin, ano po. So at least like I mentioned last night na fiesta po sa Dasmariñas, so we'll never know later, no, baka po tayo maaya sa fiesta and hindi tayo makapag-sharing. So inagahan na po natin all for tomorrow, BFF. No pressure sa all for tomorrow. Okay, so Kuya Norman, ano ba bukas? Tomorrow, December 9, Monday, Feast of the Immaculate Our Lady of Immaculate Conception. Okay, Fire Goat po tomorrow enters the Danger Excellent Day. Oh, Danger Excellent. Oh, ano ba Kuya Norman ang pwede dyan? Pag may salitang mga ganyan na, ano ba ang what can we do? Okay, tingnan po natin. Okay, sabi dito, December 9 Monday is suitable for setting the bed, making a donation, contracts, renovation, groundbreaking, trading, keeping a pet, visit a beautician. Avoid going to sea, medical procedures, utility services, buying a new car, at magpagupit, not good for tomorrow. Good for whom? Rat and ox, not so good. Tiger is average. Rabbit is very good. Dragon is average. Snake is not so good. Horse and goat, very good. Monkey, average. Rooster, not so good. Dog is average, and pig, very good. Okay. Now, how about tomorrow? Norman, naka-schedule na, blood chem. Papapagupit din. Ay, ito po gawin natin. Let's see the daily Chimen, BFF, Let's see, tingnan natin. Para po at least mayroon pa rin tayo. We still have a way of, aligning things to favor us. Okay, sabi dito, if you want to create opportunities tomorrow, ayun, back to south for opportunities. Game changer tomorrow, southwest. Anything to do with money, that is west. For good health, that's also southwest. Southwest is game changer, and also for the good health po, or if you want to recover from bad health, talikod ka sa southwest. If you want 10x being beautiful and handsome, content maker ka, vlogger ka, talikod ka naman sa northeast. Wow! So, tingnan natin. How about the Green Dragon tomorrow, December 9? Yeah, okay, tingnan natin. Okay, sabi dito, December 9, flying bird fall into cave as early po as 9 a.m. to 10:59 a.m. talikod sa north. 11 a.m. to 12:59 p.m. lunchtime. Green Dragon returns, the number one most auspicious structure in Chimen. Talikod ka naman sa east. Same time, talikod naman sa southeast. Jade Maiden watching the door. Same time, 11 a.m. to 12:59 p.m. Wow! Loaded. At least Monday, masimulan natin as we getting nearer po tayo doon po sa ating Christmas celebration. And of course, backing po, you may choose for the Daily Chimen. The Daily Chimen po, what I've just mentioned, starts at 11:01 p.m. tonight, up to 10 p.m. the next day. Ito naman po mga hourly Chimen, of course, to sa specified time, nakaupo ka, talikod ka sa direction, use a compass, and then do 5 things. You let go of bad experiences. You open up for new opportunities. Magpasalamat ka po. You ask for what you want, and you give it back to society. Giving back to society is that you become a blessing to other people. You may share money in terms of money, your talents, your skills, or maybe your time. Yun po, That's giving it back to society. Hindi na po puro me time. You also give to others. Okay, BFF? Let's keep it short and simple. The Sunday, don't forget your Sunday obligations. And I hope by the time you watch this, nakapag-church ka na po, and you have already given sa ika po. Again, BFF, let us continuously pray for each other, because as I mentioned, we never know. Maybe each one of us in here, nakikinig, or may kamag-anak kayo, or kaibigan, or friends, who is in the yin side of life. Our prayer will go a long, long way. And then let us also share yung ating exchange of energy is let's like and share. Maybe somewhere out there will be needing this kind of platform. Again, BFF, let us also pray for our leaders. Let us pray for world peace. Let us heal as one. Let us be a blessing to others. God bless us all with a grateful heart. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. God bless, good morning, and see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye. Thank you.